Starting to see those individual boulders there. You can see shadows of the various rocks on the surface.
It's amazing, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
NASA's DART mission, which was dubbed Earth's Planetary Defense System against asteroids, was a success in its maiden mission. A NASA spacecraft rammed an asteroid to blistering speed on Monday in an unprecedented dress rehearsal for the day a killer rock menaces Earth. The galactic grand slam occurred at a harmless asteroid 7 million miles or 9.6 million kilometers away, with the spacecraft named DART plowing into the small space rock at 1400 miles per hour or 22,500 kilometers per hour. Scientists expect the impact to cave out a crater, hurl streams of rock and dirt into the space, and most importantly, alter the asteroid's orbit. Telescopes around the world and in space were aimed at the same point in the sky to capture the spectacle. Though the impact was immediately obvious, it will be days or even weeks to determine how much the asteroid's path was changed. The $325 million mission was the first attempt to shift the position of an asteroid or any other natural object in space. Launched last November, the vending machine-sized DART or Double Asteroid Redirection Test navigated to its target using new technology developed by Johns Hopkins University's Applied Physics Laboratory, the spacecraft builder and mission manager. DART's onboard camera, a key part of this smart navigation system, caught sight of Dimorphos barely an hour before impact. The non-profit B612 Foundation, dedicated to protecting Earth from asteroid strikes, has been pushing for impact tests like DART since its foundation by astronauts and physicists 20 years ago. Monday's feat aside, the world must do a better job of identifying the countless space rocks lurking out there, warned the foundation's executive director, Ed Lu, a former astronaut.
There you can see shadows of the various rocks on the surface.
It's amazing, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Unbelievable.
Yeah. Looks to me like we're headed straight in. Oh my gosh. Woo. Oh wow.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. 8,
Yeah.
7, 6,
wow.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.